We lost 19 special forces men, and we had one lone survivor. And we thought it would be a wonderful tribute to bring these families together.
Stacy Lasky and her husband were so touched by the story, they formed a nonprofit organization, First American Military. Here at Core Tattoo Studio in Pacific Beach, they're holding a fundraiser.
They've really supported us through this whole mission from the get-go. They've put our foundation on their website to promote this, and they're having 24 hours of continuous tattooing, and the proceeds will go to our nonprofit to help us further our mission to help military families.
And back here live at Petco Park, Marcus Luttrell is set to throw out the first pitch at tonight's game. His family will also be here for that special tribute, along with the families of those Navy SEALs killed in combat. Reporting live, Georgette Copez, KUSI News.
It's nice to see them honored this way. How did the tattoo parlor and some of these other groups get involved?
Well, Sasha, it looks like the nonprofit organization contacted the tattoo parlor, and they thought that it was such a wonderful effort. So far, it looks like they have raised about $4,000.
All right. Thank you for the update, Georgette.
Okay.